CSEC has revised the CSEC mathematics syllabus, with the changes effective for examinations from May-June 2018. Specimen questions for the multiple choice examination were provided along with the answers. These videos will show the working. It will get you from the questions to the answers. Please attempt each question without using a calculator before proceeding with the rest of this video. Remember that calculators are not allowed in this exam. Question 25. How far east of A is B? A is in this north to south position and B is in this north to south position. We are asked to find the distance between these two lines, either A to here or from here to B. Length of this line here, x, and the length of this line here, x, is the exact same length. We can use either this triangle, ABC, or we can use this triangle, ABD, to determine what x is. Let us use the triangle ABC. This is a north-south line and this is an east-west line, so it forms a 90-degree angle. In this right angle triangle, we know that the hypotenuse is 10 kilometers. We know that this angle here is 30 degrees. Because angles on a straight line are supplementary, we are asked to find the length of the opposite side of 30 degrees. In this right angle triangle, we are concerned with an angle, the hypotenuse, and the opposite. We can use the sine ratio. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite x over the hypotenuse 10 kilometers. So we are going to make x the subject of the formula. We multiply by 10 on both sides. So sine 30 degrees multiplied by 10 is the same as 10 sine 30 degrees is equal to x over 10 multiplied by 10. When you multiply by 10, the 10s would cancel to remain with x. We have 10 sine 30 degrees is equal to x, or x is equal to 10 sine 30 degrees. We don't have 10 sine 30 degrees as one of the answers. Remember that the sine of an angle is equal to the cosine of the complementary angle. Thus, sine 30 degrees is equal to the cosine of 60 degrees. So, 10 sine 30 degrees is the same as 10 cos 60 degrees. X is equal to 10 cos 60 degrees. The answer is C. Question 26. The linear scale factor K of an enlargement of ABC to ADE is equal to AD over AB, or K is also equal to AE over AC. We are given that AD over DB is equal to a half and AE over EC is also equal to a half. This is not the scale factor. AD over DB is equal to a half. So if AD is 1 unit long, then DB would be 2 units long. And AE over EC is equal to a half. It follows that if AE is equal to 1 unit, then EC would be equal to 2 units. Therefore, the linear scale factor K is equal to AD 1 over AB 1 plus 2, 3. The linear scale factor K is equal to 1/3. The area scale factor K squared is equal to 1/3 squared, which is equal to 1/3 multiplied by 1/3, which is equal to 1/9. Therefore, the area of ADE is equal to 1/9 multiplied by the area of ABC. The area of ADE is equal to 1/9 multiplied by 36 centimeters squared, which is equal to 4 centimeters squared. So we have the total area of ABC being 36 centimeters squared, and the area of ADE is equal to 4 centimeters squared. Therefore, the area of DECB, which we are asked to find, is equal to 36 centimeters squared minus 4 centimeters squared. 36 minus 4 is equal to 32. The answer is D. Question 27. The point P 2, -3 is rotated about the origin through an angle of 90 degrees. So the image is approximately here, 90 degrees. It is rotated about the origin 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So we see that the answer here is somewhere in the region where both x is positive and y is positive. So that rules out C and D. So the answer is either A or B, but which one is it? A point with coordinates x, y is mapped onto -yx under an anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. So 2, -3 would be mapped onto -y, -3, the negative of that is +3, x 2, 3, 2. The answer is A. Question 28. In this right angle triangle, we are given the length of two sides, and we are asked to find the third, the hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem, which says that the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Therefore, the hypotenuse squared is equal to 5 squared added to 12 squared. 5 squared is equal to 25. 12 squared is equal to 144. 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. The hypotenuse squared is equal to 169. Therefore, the hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 169. The hypotenuse is equal to 13. The answer is C. I am Mr. Dube. Post a comment. Let me know how you are managing. If you found this video useful, please like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Join me in the next video.